Adverb. Adverbs tell you more about verbs. Adjective and other adverbs. Example: run quickly. The adverb quickly tells you how the action run is done. We have so many types of adverb, and they include adverb of time. Example of adverb of time are after, already, before, now, since, soon, seldom, and then. We have adverb of place. Example: everywhere, here, nowhere, there. We have adverb of manner. Example: happily, slowly, carefully, where. We have adverb of degree. Example: almost, only, quite, rather, very. Adverb of number, we have once, twice. Questioning, we have how, when, where. Adverb of affirmation, we have certainly, no, not, yes.